Welcome to the brand new Bar and Restaurant Expo. Let's go and check it out. Come on.
The Bar and Restaurant Expo has really provided a lot of value for us. Really, it gives us the opportunity to interact with the end users that are going to be using our product the most. So it's been really awesome to be able to be here.
The types of buyers that we've met here today is really the perfect fit for Spot On. And that's what's so great about the Bar and Restaurant Expo is it pulls in all of those people, and we can meet with hundreds of buyers in one place and really be able to capitalize on that when we get back to our offices.
You know, the audience of the Bar and Restaurant Expo is massively impactful in our business, but things like this enable buyers who maybe have dipped their toe in with hard seltzer and with the White Claw brand to really interact with the brand and with the team. You know, it really helps us find out what they need from us and also what we can do to help better ourselves in the on-premise channel as a partner.
The Bar and Restaurant Expo is the show for us, and whether that's just because of the audience that comes, whether it's because of our product, I think it's probably a mixture of both. You know, we've been to every show you can imagine. This show provides actual buyers who actually pull out their credit cards and pay. And that's really, for us, that's what it's all about. We can get an immediate ROI.